Shalom Yasharallah, this is Yeshaya with a Car Chronicle. I'm gonna start putting out Hebrew lessons, and I think no better way to learn Hebrew than to actually read it. And you know, I love the interlinear Bible because they always give you the translation of specifically what's being said. Because when you read it in the English, it's hard to really go into the Hebrew without understanding it, because we know English before we know Hebrew most of the time. But anyway, without further ado, remember, Hebrew reads right to left. So it says, Waya Amar. It said and said, but it actually says and he said. Wa means and, Ya means he, Amar, said, and he said. The Alahayim, so the powers. It says God, but it's really the powers. Yahaya, let there be. Rakwa Ya'ai, a firmament. Bathawak, in the midst. Hamayim, of the waters. It doesn't say of, because it would have said shal, but it says Hamayim. So it means the waters. Wayahaya, and let it. Mabadayal, divide. Bayan, between. And definitely remember that word. Write that down. Bayan, between. Mayam, waters. It doesn't actually say the waters. Here it says Lamayam. So waters, the, or to the waters, or two waters. La. All right. So here it says Waya Aish, so made. Alahayim, Ath. Ath is kind of I would say it probably means the, but we'll get to it. Harakwayai, the firmament. Waya Badal, and he divided. Bayan, between. Hamayim, the waters. Ashar, that were. So were is in parentheses because it's implied. It's not. You got to remember, you can't Englishize Hebrew perfectly. So it says ma salak mathachath, under. La rakwayai, the firmament, or it says two firmament. La. Wabayan, and between. Hamayim, the waters. Ashar or Asherah. Ma'ayil, above. La Rakwayai, the firmament. Wayahaya, and it was kun, so. Waya Kwara'a, and he called. Alahayim, the powers. La Rakwayai, the firmament. Shamayim. So now sky, Shemayim also means heavens, or heaven. But he called the firmament sky. Wayahaya, and there was. Irab, evening. Wayahaya, and there was. Bakwar, morning. Yawam, day. So the evening going to the morning is a day. So when the sun go down, till the sun come back up again. Well, I'm sorry, till the sun go back down again, that's a whole day. Shanya, the second. Waya Amar, and said, Alahayim, Ya Kwawawa, let be gathered together. Hamayim, the waters. Mathachath, under. Ha Shemayim, the heavens, all into Makwa Wam, place. Achad, one. So one place. Wa Tha Ra'ah, and let appear. Hayabasha, the dry land. Land is implied. This word does not contain the word land. Wayahaya, and it was. Kun, it was so. Waya Quara'a, and called Alahayim. Laya Basha, the dry. Arataza. So he called the dry land earth. But the word land is not here in this word. It's implied. Wala Makwara, and the collection. Hamayim, of the waters. It doesn't really say of, it just says the waters. Quara'a, called. Yamayim, seas. Waya Ra'ah, and saw Alahayim, the Elohim, the powers. Kaya, that. Tawab. So he saw that it was good. And just like you see with the parentheses, it doesn't actually say it was good. It says good. It just says good. So, and saw the powers that good. So obviously when you're an English speaker trying to learn it, you understand that a lot of things that were translated into English from the Hebrew are implied based on context clues. So, but with that, on to the next one. Shalom.